Hi everyone, I am going to take you through shortening a shirt sleeve. So now the first thing I'm going to do is to take off the cuff from the shirt sleeve. Get my razor and I just started to undo it. Here the sleeve come off. Now I'm gonna take all these fabric off. One piece is off. I'm gonna go in for the next piece. Both pieces is off. So now we're gonna use about these. Okay? And this is a cuff that use cufflink. Okay, so now I'm gonna mark 2 inches to take off. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mark 2 inch from the edge here. All the way across. Going to mark that 2 inch. With a straight line to cut off. Because I marked the 2 inch from the edge here, I will gain back this 1/2 inch here further up. So from this point, the stitching point, where the 1/2 inch go underneath the cuff, is gonna be 2 inch to where I'm gonna gain back this 1/2 inch. So from the cuff, so from the edge, just mark 2 inch and cut off 2 inch flat. But before you cut, measure your seam here, your pocket length seam that you're gonna make back. And it's actually 5 inches. So keep that in mind, 5 inches, that's where you're gonna cut from here, from your line, all the way up to 5 inches. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the sleeve up. Okay, so this is wide enough. Open by opening it up. And remember, we're gonna mark here 5 inches. Okay, so now to make up back your pocket, the first pieces you are going to put on is your slim pieces of fabric here. You can see this cut and fold back. So you're gonna use this part to go underneath. And just stick it there like that. And now we are ready to stitch. So you take your next piece and just place it right under. To make sure you have it where you want it, you can put some pin inside. So a few little pins just to hold it. That it doesn't. Yeah, just hold it and slide it right underneath the presser foot. Keep everything in place. Then you're ready to stitch. Just bring it all around. There you go, your pocket complete. That's the opposite side. All neat and tidy. On the right side, all good. Ready to close back the sleeve. I'll give it a little bar tuck. Sleeve head close back. Now we're gonna take the cuff. You're gonna measure your sleeve mouth all the way around and then measure your cuff. But before you measure here all the way around, you fold back this part here. Just fold it in. Right on the pocket, you fold it back here. Just this bit. Fold it back and give it a stitch. Okay, after you fold it back and you give it a stitch down, you measure all the way around. And this measure 11.5 inches. Then we're gonna measure the cuff, and we get 10 inches by measuring the cuff. Take out 1.5 inches from the sleeve here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mark 1 inch from here. Not a lot need taking out. Then we're gonna go 3/4 inch. There. Then we're gonna go an next 3/4 inch for space. That space in between the pleat. And then we're gonna go an next 3/4 inch. Remember, we're taking out 1.5 inches. Okay, so what we do now, we're gonna fold back 3/4 inch here. 3/4 inch space, then 3/4 inch here. The pleat is in. When you press it out, one showing on this side and the other one showing over here. And then we just press it out just like that. Do some measurement. And there you go, 10 inch. Mark 1/2 inch all the way around. And the inside, all the way around inside. And on this part of the cuff where you have that double stitch, here is the wrong side, here is the right side. So this part will show the double stitch. When you take it off, you're gonna put back 1 stitch right here, and there's one here that hold on the fabric that turn in. So what you do, you put this part on the inside of your shirt sleeve and ready to stitch. The wrong side of the cuff gonna be on the right side of the shirt, because remember, this is a cuff that carry cuff link, and it's gonna fold back on itself like this. It's gonna fold back on itself like this. Okay? So the wrong side is gonna be on the right side of the sleeve. The right side of the cuff gonna be on the inside of the sleeve. Okay? And then you're ready to stitch. Put it in up to your marking where you mark your 1/2 inch, and then stitch all the way across. Yeah, all the way to the edge. With a bar top, and you're done. There you go, all complete. all complete and ready for your cufflink. Okay, there you go. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please give me a like and a follow if my work helped you out in any way. Thank you.